Beautiful, absolutely beautiful brown bezel. Love that sapphire crystal on top. Look at that dome, absolutely beautiful. So you're gonna go ahead and use this if you ever go scuba diving in between dives. We're gonna go over the conditions of the watch, so let's go ahead and get started. So we have a really nice vertical brush finish here on our lugs, kind of throughout the case. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful brown bezel. Love that sapphire crystal on top. Look at that dome, absolutely beautiful. And I'm a really big fan of this dial. You don't get a whole lot of brown dials on Omegas, and the tan hour markers, I think, is just a very, very clean look. You know, this is probably one of my favorite Omegas. I think it just looks really, really clean. And it's a really good look. Here's the bottom left. We have a nice brush finish on the side as well as the top. And very clean. Here's our case side. And this is our helium escape valve. We'll go over that in a little bit. Here's the top left. We have a really nice brush finish throughout. Looking really clean. And here's the top of the case. We have a nice brush finish on our lugs as well as the side of our steel bezel. Looking really, really nice. Here's the top right. We got a nice brush finish on both sides. Moving on, here's our crown side. We have a nice even brush finish throughout as well as the Omega logo on our crown. Here's the bottom right. We have a nice brush finish throughout, looking really, really clean. I don't see any signs of wear, any stings, dents, or scratches. This watch is in perfect condition. Let's go ahead and look at our keepers here. We have a nice Omega keeper as well as a 007 keeper right here. It's very cool. The case back has a nice brush finish as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave the case back with the strap on. Let's go ahead and go over the strap. Strap is in really, really good condition. I'm actually surprised. Most of the time when you have a strap like this, you're going to see some of the holes are going to be a lot bigger than the others, or sometimes some of the fabric's going to start like spiraling out of control. But the strap looks really clean. I don't see any like major creases or dents. And our buckle also looks really, really nice. There's no like scratches on it. It looks very, very clean. Nice titanium lightweight case and lightweight buckle. Feels really, really good. I want to go ahead and go over the functions. So let's go over that helium escape valve first. So you're going to go ahead and use this if you ever go scuba diving in between dives. The way you're going to know it's open up is you're going to have that little orange marker there, and then the air should escape, and then you just make sure you want to tighten it before you go underwater again. Let's go and rotate our bezel. This is a little tough to do with gloves. I do apologize because my gloves are very, very sleek. But we have a really nice crisp bezel here. Feels really good, nice and crisp, very precise. There we go. Found the nice grip. Yeah, feels good. Has a very nice crisp click, and it's extremely accurate. Let's go ahead and do a 24-hour sweep on our minutes and our seconds hand. There we go. Screw this crown back into place. But yeah, it's a very nice lightweight watch. Shouldn't add a whole lot of stress to any movement on the wrist. I think it's going to feel really, really great. So let's go over the contents that's going to come with this watch. So we have that white hang tag, and we can go and make sure the white hang tag matches our warranty information as well. Beautiful. Let's go and make sure we have the same cards. Everything looks like it matches up. Perfect. Next, we are going to do a lume test to show off the watch's lume function, just like we did in that tour video. All right. So let me turn off the light. So I really like this lume because you got two different colors. You got the minty blue and minty green. The green is going to be your minutes hand and your little bezel marker and that little triangle right there. Everything else is going to be blue, which is great. I think it's got a very beautiful lume. Very, very cool. So I'll turn off the black light so you can see the natural color. There it is. All right. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.